Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make again a pizza variation where I think lots of people don't have this kind of pizza in their mind. I'm Juergen and we make this time a pizza mortadella con pistaccio. Yeah, this is a pizza bianca, which means there is no tomato sauce on this pizza. We directly start with some Mozzarella Fior di Latte and add some olive oil, and then the pizza goes directly into the oven. All the other toppings come onto the pizza after baking, like the fresh mortadella, the pistaccio, the pesto, and of course the fresh Buffalo Mozzarella Minis. The dough I use today is some leftover dough, and this is the dough I made with beer instead of water. And now I would say we start directly with this lovely pizza. And as in all of my videos where I show different pizza variations, I won't say too many things regarding the dough or regarding taking the dough out of the box or something like this, or how I stretch now the pizza. Please have a look into my other videos where I show all these things really very detailed. But however, now I will stretch the pizza like a Neapolitan pizza is stretched. And now starts already the first difference, which is now I add directly the mozzarella, or even in my case the fior di latte. Now the pizza comes onto the peel. And then I stretch the pizza to its final size. Then some olive oil. And the pizza goes into the oven. And here comes this pizza out of the oven, and you can tell me whatever you want. Such a pizza, bacon only with olive oil and with mozzarella cheese, has such a fantastic smell. This is really great. So the first we add right now is the mortadella, and I try to create here some roses or flowers. And then I have here the Buffalo Mozzarella Minis. I will add these into the center of these sausages. As next some pistachios. Then some pesto. And some fresh grated black pepper. Yeah, and you saw how fantastic this lovely pizza is. And you can believe me, the taste of this pizza is so amazing, with this fresh mortadella on it, with this pistachios, and also with this pesto, and with the fresh Buffalo Mozzarella Minis. This is so amazing and this is so delicious. And I think this is definitely something you have to put onto your pizza menu, and this is something you have to suggest to your guests. This is really an amazing pizza. Yeah, if you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!